Hey folks, your buddy Adam here, and we are looking at this treadmill from RAYSPACE, and I tell you what, this is a space saver. Now, as somebody who has just gotten back into running, I hurt my feet 2 years ago now in Thailand, broke both my feet, and it really slowed me down, no pun intended. So, we went ahead and we started walking again. We've healed them up, and now we're ready to move on to a nice, luxurious treadmill that is easy and convenient for the whole family. Now, this is a folding treadmill, meaning you can put it away when you're done with it. This is perfect for your home gym, your office, and a whole lot more. Now, this has a 12% incline, and it has the tremendous Fit Show app completely included. The adjustable height, the 4-in-1. This is a highly rated, performance-based treadmill that's great for beginners, intermediates, and advanced runners as well. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off right now. Now, one of the things I like about this particular treadmill is that bright LEDs that are easy to read. Yeah, you're going to see your distance, your calories, your time, and your speed. Easy to read, even if you don't have the best vision when you're running. This is going to be perfect for you. They also have that app, the Fit Show app, that I love as well, so let's show you that. Now, that Fit Show app truly is groundbreaking. It's got quick start, you can set your goals, and you can customize your workout, all at a push of a button. It does tie into all of their great equipment, and on top of that, you've got training, walking, a coach, 44 different sessions, 97 walking sessions, 116 for training. Workout, you've got great music and maps to guide you along your way. You've also got training tips, nutrition tips, FAQ. You've got different plans allowing you to work out as well. Lose weight, start to run, run to lose weight, hill walking, 5Ks, 10Ks, everything you need. And then there's challenges. I just signed up for that challenge for February. How many times do you run? And you've got over 30,000 challengers. And you can pull up your stats at a push of a button as well. And folks, I do want to show you how easy it is to adjust the incline on the device itself. A physical option here that will never fail you. That's nice that we can get our walks or our runs in at relatively no incline or at an incline just by adjusting accordingly. Now, the remote control does make your workout just that easy. We can pause and stop remotely. Start, we can change our modes, reset, turn on and off music. There's our Wi-Fi connectivity, and we can speed it up accordingly. Very nice. Easy to use remote control with lanyard that will grip onto the side of the device, or you can put it in the tray right in front of you. Now that I'm walking, I'm going to go ahead and put my smartphone or tablet right in front of me so I can go ahead and, walk along with the video. This is a really smart design, and some people may ask, what if I already have a workout app that I like, or I'm doing a workout or a video? Well, those are all compatible because it ties straight to your smartphone. So no confusing hardware applications. You're just using your own phone. That's the easiest way. And there's plenty of space here for anything you want to store, like your tablet or maybe a book. And of course, folks, safety first. This little guy will clip onto your shirt, and should you come off the treadmill, it automatically stops safely and securely. And folks, I do like that this works right into my Apple device, into your smartphone device, to see how much you're moving. You can track days of the week, everything associated with your calories, all ties straight into your smartphone's health tracker that's already there. Of course, folks, this is a very reputable brand. I like the fact that the remote control has a little lanyard that I can tie right to my wrist, where I don't have to worry about it. And if I'm just using this as a walking pad, I like that I have a place that I can rest my hands. But if we kick up the speed, we're now at 4, 5, 6 miles an hour at the max. We can get a little jog here. We can read our tablet. We can adjust the speed. We can change the mode. We can see our time, our distance, our calories, everything associated, and just have our tablet in front of us, watching a good movie, reading a good book, getting a great workout. For me, one of the hallmarks of this device is its portability. We can fold it up, we can even decrease the height here, and we can put this just about anywhere. So we're gonna go ahead, and what's nice about this is now I can move it around, I can lean it up against a wall, or I can put it under a desk, taking up practically no space. But Adam, let's see that again. That was too easy. Yep, just fold, fold, let her drop down, lock it into place, just like that. And then we can go ahead and store this anywhere. And when you're setting it up, I do like the fact that you can adjust the height to whatever your standing height prefers. You can go ahead. So shorter folks are gonna have no problem here. Taller folks are gonna love it too. All right, so as floor space in my gym becomes a premium, this is a tremendous option for me, and it should be a real option for you. If you're looking to get into running, get back into running, or advanced your running, it's great. The fact that it takes up minimal floor space is awesome. The fact that you can get a 12-degree incline, it's got all the safety features and space for you to put your tablet or phone. This is a perfect, concise treadmill that you're gonna love. Folks, we highly recommend you go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. My name is Adam from 911 Studios. We've reviewed hundreds of treadmills, and this one is absolutely fantastic. If you're looking for something that's lightweight, portable, and affordable, it's a great option for you, and it's a great option for me. Thanks for watching. You know we love and appreciate you, but it's time to get to shopping. Go pick one up today. Adios, amigos. Goodbye.